Alright, yet again, another break-even trade in the Asia session. Here's what happened. Alright, so I took the play on the 15-minute. I saw it happening around 10:15 or so. And I got in 3 contracts right after the 15-minute fair value gap got inverse. I was risking about 300 to make 400. Alright, zooming out onto the 4-hour. We saw that last week we took out a major 4-hour low. We started to displace above a lot 2 days ago, and we are retracing back into the 4-hour gap now. Alright, so after looking at the 4-hour, I dropped down to the 1-hour, and I saw that we did hit the equilibrium, and we were retracing back up. When you zoom in a little bit more on the 1-hour, you do see that we are in a bearish fair value gap, but I figured since we are closing above on the 15, we might be able to take it up to there. So I'll show you what happened on the 15. So as you can see, once the 15-minute closed above this fair value gap right here, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a gap right there. Once we closed above that, I got in. I went to break even as soon as this internal high got taken out. And I was aiming for that unfilled fair value gap at the top where there's like a little shelf up there. And as you can see, right after we took that internal, we came back down. It was around 3:30 or something when that happened, but I did get stopped to break even. And of course, when I wake up today, I see that my target has been smacked. And I notice this happens to me every time I trade Asia session because I put my stops to break even way too soon, I think, on a higher time frame. I'm used to trading within the 1 to 5 minute, and in the Asia sessions, I've been trading 15-hour or 4-hour. So I think I put my stops to break even way too soon, because if I didn't and I let the stop loss stay down there, then I would have been in the play and I would have hit the TP. But yeah, that was the trade I took last night. It was on the 15-minute overnight trade. If you guys have more experience on holding the trade overnight, please let me know in the comments what I did wrong or what I could have done better, or just what would you have guys done, because I'm genuinely curious on how to manage these trades that I hold overnight, because I'm usually in and out the markets within an hour or so in the AM session. And yeah, also too, if you guys trade Asia, let me know.